Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to compare two CRM programs and workflow management tools. First one is Asana and the second one is Trello. First, I'll tell you more about these two programs. We'll go through some pros and cons, and at the end we'll compare pricing and try to find out which one is better. So let's start with Asana. Asana is an online team collaboration and workflow management tool. Organize your work in the best way possible, to follow tasks through and be able to avoid obstacles, to meet deadlines. Asana's board lets you visualize your work and arrange all your relevant emails and files into one place. Use Asana's portfolios to monitor the status of all your projects and keep your strategic initiatives on track and easily report on progress. Its custom fields allow you to keep track of info important to the team and share the information with the right people. Commonly used projects can be turned into templates to ensure your team workflow moves more smoothly and faster. Asana's web interface is efficient and responsive, and it can be integrated to other collaboration tools like Slack. When we're talking about Asana, it's very nice and very easy to read. It's also very similar to Trello. So it's really nice, even price-wise. You have some basic bundle, which is completely free with unlimited tasks, but limited features. Then premium and business. It's per user, billed monthly or annually. Obviously, if you are billed annually, you will save more money. But to this, the premium should do all the things that you need to have in Asana by your side. So let's talk more about Trello now. Trello organizes your projects and day-to-day tasks through creating note cards on dashboard. The software can also be used as a trip planner, a side project, a community bulletin, and even our idea repository. Tasks and ideas can be noted on the Trello card. Alongside the work progress can also be tracked. The user can sort and organize these cards based upon their categories. A quick overview is displayed on the front of the cards, flipping which the user can dive into more detailed information such as checklists, due dates, comments, attachments, etc. There is a progress meter that adds a checklist to organize your to-do list. You can also attach documents and multimedia files to the cards. That's how Trello actually looks. We recorded a video in our channel to show you how the Trello looks. Basically, both Asana and Trello are horizontally based. So you are starting with these windows, which they are pre-made, but for example, in tutorial, you can start with a to-do list, doing or done. You can always add another list and add more people. You can invite people, drop some folders, and basically personalize it all you want. When we talk about Trello pricing plan, they are also advertising free option for if you want to start and check if the Trello is the one for you, then $10 per user a month, or $17.50, which is significantly lower on enterprise level. By choosing all of those options and deciding which one to use, you should find that both of Asana and Trello are very easy to integrate. They are very easy to use between each other. buying Asana license. And if you like few features from, for example, Trello, you can always integrate it through Zapier, which should save you time and also money. So it's really hard to tell. It's completely up to your perspective. Both of them are made for from medium to large and companies, but Trello is, in my opinion, better for freelancers. Also, both of them provide online help desk, and they can run on in mobile phones, iOS and Android. But also Asana has their own program inside of Windows or Mac. So that's the way for Asana. If you have more questions, feel free to add them underneath this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. And see you in another video.